Okay, so hello everyone. Today let us take a look at this Boxin hair clipper model BX-8088. I got this from Shopee for 460 pesos. Actually, this is the second time I bought this type of model. The first one was more than about close to a year now. I bought this for a cousin. Bought that for a cousin of mine, and until now he's still using it. So another cousin of mine asked me to order this for him, in the condition that he would just pay me afterwards, because he lives in a place that COD is not available. Okay, so let's take a look at what's inside. Okay, we've got a manual, you've got the clipper itself, an extra battery, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, I don't know exactly what you call this, but these are meant to adjust the depth of cut. And you've got the adapter for the for charging. Input AC 100 volts, 240 volts, 50 to 60 hertz. Output is 3.3 volts. Okay, so you've got oil, you've got a brush. So let's take a look at the clipper itself. So it's working. Okay, you've got your adjustment here. Meant to adjust the blade. Okay, and if you need to clean the blade, you just have to push down like so. Okay, and then you can clean it with the brush like so. Okay, now putting it back on, it's simple. Just make sure that this tab right here goes here, and then just push it in, and then it will work. Okay, so like I've said, I did not actually buy this for me. I bought this for a cousin of mine. So the best demo that I could offer you is, let's try cutting this paintbrush right here. This is made of horsehair, I do believe. So let's do that now. So as you can see, it's still able to cut cleanly with no problem at all. Okay, let's give it one more pass. So anyway, that's it. If you need to clean it, just push down here, get your brush, clean it like so. So this is the Boxin hair clipper model BX-8088. Now the only downside that I can say about this is, from the based from the first one that I bought about close to a year now, is that when you charge it, you're going to charge it maybe about, the manual says about 6 to 8 hours, something like that. But there's no auto off charge, so basically you need to time yourself, because it's not going to indicate whether it's fully charged or not. That's the only downside that I can say about this. But all in all, it works fine, it works great. You've got 2 batteries. Okay, let's try the other one. Let's see if, so it's working. Let's plug that in. So it's working. So anyway, that's it. So basically, like I always say in my other videos, this is the Boxin hair clipper. Full disclosure, I do not advertise for this product, nor am I affiliated with any stores that sells this item. I bought this with my own money. Well, actually, with my own money, and then my cousin is going to pay me afterwards. So, like and subscribe. I hope to show you more. Thank you for watching.